If you don't want to use raw eggs in tiramisu, I have the solution. Tiramisu with pasteurized eggs.
È saporita assai.
Let's start with the pâte bombe. This pastry method is really essential when pasteurizing, and in this case to pasteurize the egg yolks. We'll be using a syrup of water and sugar. Put the water in a saucepan. Add the sugar. And without mixing it, we have to bring this solution to 121 degrees. The syrup has reached 115 degrees. So what are we going to do? Pour the yolks into a bowl and begin to whip them using electric beaters. When the syrup reaches the right temperature, pour in half. And then slowly pour in the rest of the syrup. Be careful not to pour the syrup directly on the moving beaters, otherwise it will splash all over the walls. Let's increase the speed. And at this point, be patient for around 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture becomes clear, frothy, and most importantly, returns to room temperature. And here it is, our mixture is ready. Let's set that bowl aside for a moment so we can work on the mascarpone. I'll also add some vanilla seeds, which are very fragrant. I will mix that for just a few moments to soften the mascarpone and to mix in the vanilla seeds. Pour the pâte bombe on the mascarpone and very gently mix that together. And it's ready! Our cream with pasteurized yolks. I will put it in the refrigerator while I go to prepare the coffee. So we have everything ready to start building our tiramisu. Let's start by spreading a thin layer of cream on the baking dish. This way, the savoiardi will stick to the dish better. Dip it quickly into the cold coffee and then put it in the baking dish. Why use cold coffee? Because otherwise the savoiardi get too soupy. And then in the refrigerator, they would release all the liquid coffee into the cream. Top with a generous layer of cream, about half. Smooth it out. And do it again. Top with a final layer of our cream. Spread the cream out well to even out the surface. And sprinkle on some cocoa. We have to wait at least an hour for it to rest in the refrigerator before we can eat it. And here it is, our beautiful tiramisu. What do you say? Should we cut a slice? And now, let's taste it. Oh yes.
Che saporita assai.